Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bella. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In this video I will give you some good tips on how to improve your German and make it easier for you to learn this so-called tricky German language. Are you ready? Then let's start. Number 1. Surround yourself with German. That means umgib dich mit der deutschen Sprache. Label your world. For example, how about labeling the things that you use in your daily life? For example, this one here. Das Glas. Right. Guys, if you label nouns, do not forget to label them with the right article. How about labeling verbs like, yes, we know that is an opener, but what do we do in opener? We open the bottle. So why don't you label it with the word open in German? Öffnen. Or how about labeling adjectives? For example, colors. Red brick, rot, roter Baustein, red brick. So you guys see, you can actually label your whole surroundings with German words. From nouns over verbs to adjectives. Label your surrounding. Die Nase, die Ohren, der Mund. I think you guys get the idea, right? Number 2. Writing German. Deutsch, schreiben. Why don't you start writing your shopping lists in German? You will actually know how the things are called and written in the German language. It's very helpful. Or why don't you write your diary in German? Or your to-do list? Writing German is very helpful of knowing how the words are called, but also how you correctly write them. Also gut, sagt der Löwe. Yes, guys. Reading, reading, reading. Lesen, lesen, lesen. Why don't you start by reading children's books? Why? Because they have a simple and basic vocabulary. It's very, very easy to understand, and there's a lot of things that are repeating itself, so it will be easier for you to grab what is going on. But also, why don't you start reading the German newspaper? To see how much you actually understand of what is going on. And guys, do not forget reading out loud. Reading out loud helps a lot. So, if you're reading your children's books or reading the newspaper, read it out loud. Number 4. Aim to learn one German word a day. Versuche ein deutsches Wort am Tag zu lernen. And don't just learn it. Try to use it in a sentence. So you've not only heard it, seen it, but already said it. It will be way easier for you to learn words. Number 5. Watching TV. Fernseh schauen. Have you ever thought about watching your favorite movie in German language? You already know what is going to happen. You know what the person is going to do next, what is said. Yes, you can put on the subtitles if you want to, but it's a very, very easy and lovely way to learn German. Or why don't you start watching your favorite TV series in the German language? Number 6. Look for a learning partner. It doesn't need to be a native speaker. Suche nach jemanden, der auch Deutsch lernen möchte. It is always easier to learn with somebody else. You can encourage yourself, motivate yourself, but also correct yourself and even test each other's knowledge. Guys, it is always easier to learn a language if you have a learning buddy. If you're looking for that buddy, the social media is the perfect place to find someone who wants to learn German too. A lot of Facebook groups, a lot of WhatsApp groups full of people who want to learn the German language as well. So go find yourself a learning buddy. Number 7, the most important thing is, guys, do not be shy to speak German. You might do some mistakes. So what? Sei nicht schüchtern, Deutsch zu sprechen. Guys, there is nothing better and more helpful than practice. Practice, practice, practice. Speak, read, listen. And always go and have a look at my channel, at my videos. I'm always going to help you to improve your German. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'm really sure you can make good use of the tips I gave you to improve your German. Please remember, do not be shy of speaking German. I hope to see you in my next video, guys. Till then, bye bye.